everyone, welcome to Second Opinion, your go-to site for the latest news in cars, tech, and lifestyle. I'm Mika, a new face from Second Opinion, and today we're unboxing TAG Heuer's latest release, the Aquaracer Professional 300, presenting the future of sport and luxury. We'll also be looking at not one, but two watches both for men and the ladies. I'm actually pretty excited about this one since my everyday watch is from TAG Heuer as well. In fact, I'm wearing it at the moment. Their 2000 series, which was passed on to me by my mom a few years back. Anyway, without further ado, let us now dive in and unbox the much awaited Aquaracer Professional 300. Here are the boxes containing the watches. As you can see, the box including the casing already projects elegance and premium quality. Here on my left is the men's watch and to my right is for the ladies. Aside from the obvious size difference, the two watches slightly differ in other aspects. Let us now take a closer look at the two. The men's watch has a 43mm steel case, while the ladies' watch is slightly smaller, measuring 36mm. The case combines polished and brushed elements. Both have slimmer profiles to provide comfort and are water resistant up to 300 meters, living up to its name, the Aquaracer Professional 300. Both watches have a classic steel bracelet that's tapered for greater comfort. It has an adjustable folding clasp with push buttons on the side. Both have a unidirectional ceramic bezel that's robust, designed to withstand the test of time, leaving your watch unscathed even after engaging in extreme sports. The premium build is perfect for those particularly living an active lifestyle. Embodying elegance and versatility, the men's watch features a black sunray brushed dial. As for the ladies, you get a glimpse of the black dial with its unique wavy finish. The beautiful dial is protected by the durable sapphire crystal. Both watches feature large hands with superluminova, allowing you to see the dial even when it's pitch black. Also, both come with a magnified date window to provide ease in identifying date in just a glance. The Aquaracer Professional 300 is powered by an automatic caliber 5 movement with 38 hours of power reserve. The steel case back of both watches reveals an engraving of a vintage diving helmet to symbolize the power and capability of its build. The men's watch retails for $176,999, while the ladies' watch is $164,999. Both are available in all TAG Heuer boutiques. The beautiful TAG Heuer dive watch is ideal for sportsmen, especially those who are into water sports. However, its elegant design lends itself well to formal occasions too. So, that concludes our deep dive into the world of the Aquaracer Professional 300. If you have any questions, you may leave it in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'm Mika, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys soon.